Welcome to Story Today. Smriti Mandhana was born on July 18, 1996 in Mumbai, India, but her family moved to Sangli in Maharashtra when she was just 2 years old. Cricket ran in her blood. Her father, Srinivas Mandhana, and brother, Shravan, both played cricket at the district level. Inspired by her brother, Smriti picked up the bat at a young age. She joined the local U15 team at the age of 9, and by 11 she was playing for the Maharashtra U19 team. Despite her evident talent, Smriti's journey was far from easy. In a country where cricket is dominated by men, breaking into the sport as a female athlete posed significant challenges. Facilities and training opportunities for women were limited, and societal expectations often discouraged girls from pursuing sports professionally. Her father managed her cricketing schedules, and her mother took care of her diet, while her brother bowled to her in the nets to help her practice. Financial constraints also meant that the family had to make sacrifices to ensure Smriti could continue her training and travel for matches. Smriti's big break came in 2013 when she scored a double century in a one-day game for Maharashtra against Gujarat. This performance brought her into the national spotlight and earned her a place in the Indian women's cricket team. She made her international debut in April 2013 in an ODI against Bangladesh. However, her path to consistent success faced another obstacle. In 2017, just before the Women's World Cup, Smriti suffered a knee injury during the Women's Big Bash League, WBL, in Australia. The injury required surgery and a lengthy rehabilitation period. Despite the setback, Smriti's determination never wavered. Smriti made a remarkable comeback in the 2017 Women's World Cup, scoring crucial runs and playing a significant role in India's journey to the final. Her performances included a stunning 90 against England in the opening match and a century against the West Indies. Although India fell short in the final, Smriti's contributions were widely recognized, and she became one of the leading figures in women's cricket. Her exploits on the field earned her a contract with the Hobart Hurricanes in the WBBL and later with the Trailblazers in the Women's T20 Challenge in India. Off the field, Smriti Mandhana is known for her humility and grounded nature. She continues to inspire not only with her cricketing skills but also with her attitude and approach to life. Her journey from a small-town girl to a global cricket star is a powerful reminder that dreams, combined with hard work and determination, can indeed come true. Smriti's story is not just about cricket, it's about breaking stereotypes, overcoming adversity, and paving the way for future generations. Her life and career continue to be a beacon of hope and motivation for many around the world. Smriti Mandhana holds the record for the fastest century by an Indian woman in one-day internationals, ODIs. She achieved this feat against New Zealand in 2019, scoring a century off just 75 balls. In 2019, Smriti Mandhana became the youngest Indian woman to captain the T20 international team. She took on the role at the age of 22 years and 229 days. Smriti became the first Indian woman to score a double century in a one-day game. She achieved this milestone in a domestic match for Maharashtra against Gujarat in 2013, scoring an unbeaten 224 off 150 balls. Smriti is the fastest Indian woman to reach 2,000 runs in ODIs, achieving this milestone in just 51 innings. Smriti holds the record for the highest individual score in a women's T20 international by an Indian. She scored 86 runs against New Zealand in 2019. Smriti Mandhana was named the ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year and the ICC Women's ODI Player of the Year in 2018. These awards recognized her outstanding performances across formats. Smriti has been a prolific run scorer in various bilateral series and ICC tournaments. In the 2017 Women's World Cup, she was one of the top run scorers for India, playing a crucial role in India's journey to the final. Smriti has been a standout performer in the WBBL. She has played for teams like the Brisbane Heat and Hobart Hurricanes, making significant contributions with the bat and earning accolades for her performances. In 2018, Smriti was honoured with the Arjuna Award, one of India's prestigious sports awards, in recognition of her contributions to cricket. Smriti Mandhana is an inspiration to many young cricketers, especially girls aspiring to take up the sport. Her journey, dedication, and success continue to motivate the next generation of athletes. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of Smriti Mandhana. Please like, share with your friends and family, subscribe for more real-life stories.